Time to check in with meteorologist TJ Del Santo. He has been hovering over 4 computers this morning, studying the very latest on this storm that's headed our way.
Yeah, we're looking at lots of different forms of information to try and figure out exactly what's going to happen tomorrow. And we're feeling somewhat confident now that we are going to be seeing significant amounts of snow across the area and some significant amounts of ice as well. Not for today, but this is for tomorrow, Wednesday, 12 a.m. to 6 p.m. We have a winter storm warning in effect for all of southern New England, the mainland, the coastal areas like Block Island, the Vineyard, Nantucket, even Cuttyhunk, the Elizabeth Islands, not in that winter storm warning. But you will be seeing some accumulating snow, I think. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Nice and dry, no precipitation. We've got crystal clear skies above, and that's going to be a pretty good sunrise a little bit later in the morning. Temperatures are kind of cold at 16 in Smithfield, 23 Providence, Fall River 23. Over in Newport, we've got about 23 degrees. Johnston dipped down another degree, down to 18. At Pecasa Bay Retirement Living over there, winds from the northwest at around 1 mile an hour. The satellite radar picture showing the basically crystal clear skies across all of New England. Now we have some cloudiness off to our south, and we're going to be seeing the cloudiness kind of thicken up throughout the course of the afternoon. Let's take a look at how it all pans out over the next 24 to 36 hours, starting you off at noontime today. Notice that we're looking at mainly sunny skies. Now taking you into the evening and the evening commute, we're going to stop right here at 6 o'clock. We'll have more in the way of clouds, maybe a little bit of a clearing here and there, but we are going to be seeing the clouds thickening up throughout the evening. And notice the snow doesn't develop until after midnight. Here we are at 3:30 in the morning, and initially it could start fairly heavily, and we're looking at snow moderate to heavy at times right through the morning commute. The morning commute tomorrow is going to be a very difficult one for heavy snow working its way through the area. And we're talking about a heavy wet snow. This isn't the fluffy stuff that we've been dealing with throughout much of the season so far. This is going to be tough to shovel and tough to plow as well. 8:30 in the morning, still dealing with heavy snow, and we're looking at the precipitation to begin to change over throughout the course of the morning and into the afternoon, where we'll be seeing some sleet as well as some rain and freezing rain. The wet stuff mainly along the immediate coastline. So here's the timeline for this storm. It begins late tonight, 2 to 4 a.m. The heaviest 4 a.m. to noontime tomorrow. Do expect there to be some mixing in Providence, but especially near the coastline we'll be seeing some mixing of sleet and rain and freezing rain. The biggest impact on the Wednesday morning commute, going to be very difficult. The storm will be winding down throughout the evening on Wednesday. How much? 6 to 8 inches, I think, in Providence, maybe 8 to 10 inches north and west of Providence. Central Rhode Island, 6 to 8. Over into central Bristol County and Plymouth County, 6 to 8 inches. 3 to 6 inches along the coastline, maybe less on the islands, maybe only about an inch there. Snow amounts will be the heaviest up in northern Rhode Island, because we're looking at primarily snow up here, some sleet. Central Rhode Island will see a little bit of freezing rain and sleet for a little while, and along the coastline you'll see a little bit more in the way of sleet and freezing rain. That's why the accumulations are down there. Your morning commute, giving it the green light, no issues at all except for some slick roadways due to black ice, and some roads still are snow covered a little bit. In the afternoon, the clouds will be thickening up. Temperatures will be climbing into the upper 30s during the afternoon hours today. Here's your 7-day Futurecast. Colder and drier Thursday and Friday, highs around 30 degrees. Saturday looks dry. Late in the day Sunday, could be looking at another storm working its way in, something that we'll be monitoring closely over the next 5 to 6 days. You can get the updated Futurecast from our website. That's at WPRI.com. Let's get a look now at that morning commute with your